Random thought. Are you a one time sneeze?
Guys, my allergies.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I need to know how strong your love is. How strong your love is. I need to know how strong your love is. How strong your love is. 'Cause I've been waiting. Yeah, I've been waiting for far too long. Far too long, for far too long. It's been 6 weeks since you called me, telling me you need me. And I can't.
Did you guys know that there's such a thing as a sneeze? I did not know. And I'm gonna post this comment up here for you guys to see why this person commented this, because they've been asking me to do this for years. Ew. It all started when a couple of years ago I made a video of me doing a TikTok having an outside picnic with my kids.
It's come to my attention that sneezing, it can be somewhat of a fetish for individuals. I posted a very short video of me sneezing last week that it got thousands of views, lots of likes, and I wasn't initially that pleased about it given the circumstances. However,
it just so happened that it was a prime time, like allergy season, and I am super like sneezy when it comes to allergies. So I posted this video that ended up turning into like essentially me sneezing the whole time. And I thought it was funny, and I was like, how many times can we get me sneezing in a video? Because I thought it was something benign, something hilarious, like me just trying to film a video and completely failing because I couldn't stop sneezing. Well, all of a sudden, this video blows up. And not because it's a cute video of me having an outside picnic with my kids or them finding it funny that I couldn't stop sneezing. I go to my comments and people are asking me questions like, oh my gosh, what's the most you've ever sneezed? Oh my gosh, can we get some from this angle? Oh my gosh, can we have more sneezing videos? And some of them were just like straight up raunchy.
watch this in full for forgiveness.
I was so confused. So of course I start to deep dive and ask around the Google if like sneezing is something that gets people going. Y'all, there's a whole community out there that get off of people sneezing. So I privated that video because I thought it super creepy, especially because my kids were in the video. But to this day, this person and there's other people who will go on my videos and will ask for more sneezing videos, and I'm sure I could probably get good money out of it, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, isn't it crazy? I had no idea, and I'm not one to shame anyone for anything. I just had no clue, and I thought it was a little weird, especially because it was a video with my kids. But yeah, that was the thing. That's the thing. I didn't know. I just don't understand it. But yeah, it's a thing. And we're obviously still getting this comment two years later.
I need to know how strong your love is. How strong your love is.
No!
How strong your love is. 'Cause I
Oh, sneezing can feel like
Oh, 1000%.
like your nose can get a.
Oh,
Did you know that?
I all the time then because I sneeze all the time and it feels
You're just
so
so
good.
orgasmic.
And like yes, and like sometimes I like to sneeze loud because it feels good.
Oh,
like,
hell yeah.
When you like just release
Yeah.
it, like achoo! It's just
Oh,
something
totally.
about it is
Your nose has erectile tissue, people. Like, there's a reason
I
that
be
shit
coming.
feels good. Yeah.
I be coming.
And that's why a lot of people sneeze before, during, and after. It's because they're aroused. And so if you're getting an erection in your genitals, you may very well be getting erected in your nose.
I'm on a sneezing spell. Help. It's back again. Okay.
Why?
Okay.
I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Excuse me, of course. Excuse me. My goodness.
Voluntarily being captured by. Oh my god, help!
Oh no! Gladiolas! No! No! No!
I need to know how strong your love is. I need to know how strong your love is. Yeah, I've been waiting far too long. Far too long since you called me. And I can't help
Guys, my allergies. That's the 13th one in a row.
show me what you
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all the Neese Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh my.
Okay.